Hey, where are we at?
Almost to Buchanan.
And just to clarify, if you want to know, hi guys, what it's like gas mileage wise carrying a the Mini Winnie Flex with a half ton. Your gas mileage, it looks like we've been doing 11 point. Yeah. So here we are coming in, which, yeah, almost at 12 miles per gallon. I consider that a win. So here we are coming into Buchanan, which we love Buchanan. It's where the James River is. We frequently take trips down the James River via Twin River Outfitters.
Yeah, I was just trying to make sure we had more like gravel on that side.
Yeah. Looks good to me. Yay, pool. Looks fun. What you think, Georgie?
So excited.
So excited.
Yeah, my legs are sore.
Are you travel drunk?
Yeah.
Ah!
I'm going with him.
Where are you going?
On our first night in Buchanan, we decided to go into Roanoke to pick up a few supplies and also stop and grab some dinner at one of our favorite places, Texas Tavern. It's a small little diner in downtown Roanoke that offers hot dogs, hamburgers, chili, and more. My personal recommendation is the cheesy western and a hot dog all the way. We'll do a quick little tour of the campground. Your bike fell over, Georgia.
Oh, fine.
Okay. So yeah, we're here in Buchanan, Virginia at Limestone Park, or Limestone Ministries Park. It's not a very big campground. There's only maybe, I don't know, 10 or so like RV sites with power and water. No sewer hookup, but they do have a dump station over there, which is nice. So yeah, this is our setup, and got our little outdoor kitchen set up, which came in handy this morning. And I brought a Honda, but unfortunately I forgot a helmet, so it will just be sitting back here the whole time. But it was a good test because I needed to see if the hitch would do well and support its weight, and it's plenty. So the hitch is rated at 350 pounds and the bike is only like 250, plus the rack is like another maybe 30, so we're well under the weight rating, which is great. Located along the scenic James River, Limestone Park offers easy river access for fishing, canoeing, tubing, and kayaking. Most sites have 30 and 50 amp electrical service, water hookup, a picnic table, and a fire pit. A dump station is located on the property. Showers and bathrooms are open March 1st through December 1st, and the pool is open Memorial Day through Labor Day. For an additional fee, campers may use the pool in season. Tennis and pickleball courts are available for campers' use, as well as a playground and a large fire pit. A concession stand with hot food and snacks is available during pool hours as well. There are also 4 sites available in the upper parking lot for those just stopping for the night. Conveniently located off I-81 between exits 162 and 168, Limestone Campground is exactly 30 minutes from downtown Roanoke. which offers plenty of shopping, restaurants, as well as coffee shops and breweries. It's also only 5 minutes from downtown Buchanan, which has a couple of restaurants, coffee shops, and even a movie theater. You're welcome. We got free popsicles.
Free popsicles. Yay!
How beautiful
Downtown Buchanan. Oh, looks like there's a festival going on down there.
Later that day, we took a short 15-minute drive from the campground to visit Natural Bridge State Park. Standing at 215 feet, it is the tallest natural arch in the southeastern United States. The Natural Bridge is estimated to weigh 36,000 tons, as much as 2,500 school buses. How does something like this come about? The answer is in the limestone all around you. Most of the rock in and under the park is limestone. Limestone slowly dissolves when in contact with carbonic acid, which is made when water and carbon dioxide mix. Places underlain by limestone may contain caves, underground rivers, and sinkholes because wherever carbonic acid forms, it wears away this type of rock.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense. I know it's probably hard to see on the video, but that's really tall.
Doesn't it look like light is shining down on it, or were those maps? Mom, doesn't that look like one of those maps on your phone?
It does.
When you put it into that certain... It does not say that.
No.
Ingredients. Okay, interesting.
What is it? Huh.
Something.
Oh,
there's
it's
an
a gunpowder
ingredient-
cave.
Ingredient.
Hold up. Oh, just got super big. Mama, this was crazy. Hey, look. Wet. Wet right here. Cool now. Actually, it feels like air conditioning.
Yes.
Someone
That's
has an
why
AC.
if you build something underground, it stays a constant temperature.
I know, but there's an AC unit right there.
Nice try.
It's not.
What?
AC unit. It's in the dirt corner. You wouldn't see it.
I actually really like this.
Oh,
This is what orange
Natural Bridge State Park is a great place for just about anyone. It's an easy 2.5 mile out and back hike, with the hardest part being some stairs at the beginning of the trail. Make sure you stop in the visitor center and purchase tickets. Tickets are $9 for 13 and up and $6 for children.
green and it looks flat. So doesn't it look like flat? Huh?
Do an epic pose for me. Can I use your phone real quick?
This? Like what? Like what? Hi.
After we left Natural Bridge State Park, we drove 20 minutes to where the Appalachian Trail crosses over the James River. This is also the takeout point for the 3-day, 2-night canoe trip that I've done with Twin River Outfitters. On our last night in Buchanan, we were lucky enough to be able to go to their 4th of July celebration. It was also the first time the girls had ever been to a carnival.
So, Bo and Jed, what was your review of this trip? Not bad, Jed, huh? What about you, Bo? Won't even look at me?
It was so bad. We hated it. We couldn't do anything. We wanted to go outside. They wouldn't let us.
Meow, 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 meow. Alright. Bye. Oh, there you is. Oh, he's resentful.